Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Open your Instagram app and go to your profile page using the bottom right icon. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right to reveal the Settings and Privacy menu. Scroll down and select Settings, then choose Account Center. Account Center centralizes connected Facebook and Instagram accounts. This area shows linked profiles, pages, and login methods. Stay on the screen to view the connected Facebook page or linked accounts before making changes. In Account Center, tap Profiles and then choose the Instagram account you manage. Next, tap Connected Experiences or Accounts and locate the linked Facebook page entry. Tap the listed Facebook page to open management options for that connection. Choose Remove or Disconnect to break the link between the Facebook page and your Instagram account. Read the confirmation prompt carefully because removing the page affects cross-posting and role access. Confirm the removal to proceed and complete the disconnection. Confirm the removal when prompted and enter your Instagram password if required for security. Wait until the app shows a success message indicating the page was disconnected from Instagram. Return to Account Center and verify the Facebook page no longer appears under linked accounts or connected experiences. Optionally test by composing a post and attempting to cross-post. The disconnected Facebook page should not appear as an option. If the page still appears, log out. Restart the app and repeat the removal steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.